The Grove has been one of the most popular communities in all of Frisco since it opened several years ago. But for anyone that was wanting a larger home on a larger lot, you've essentially been out of luck, because the only homes that have been built in the Grove recently have either been townhomes or homes on a 40-foot wide lot. That is, until now. Welcome to Phase 10, the last phase to be opened in the original Grove community before the expansion of the Grove to the north side of Main Street takes place within the next year. So don't go anywhere, because in this video, I'm going to share with you what the lot sizes are, who the builders are, when construction starts, and what pricing is going to be. Phase 10 is located at the northwest corner of the current Grove community. It is bordered immediately to the north by Main Street and directly to the west by Independence. There are going to be a total of 65 lots here in Phase 10 at the Grove. 38 of those lots are going to be 65-foot wide lots, and the other 28 lots are going to be 74-foot wide lots. American Legend is going to be the builder on the 65-foot wide lots, while Highland Homes is going to be the builder on the 74-foot wide lots. The 65-foot wide lots that American Legend are building on are going to be a mixture of north and south facing lots, as well as east and west facing lots. Now, the lots that you're looking at here are on the northern side of the community, and these are the 65-foot wide lots. And as you can see, some of the lots here on the south side of this first street actually back up to a really nice green belt. American Legend are going to be offering 10 different floor plans here in the Grove. They are going to range in size from just under 2,900 square feet to just over 4,000 square feet, depending upon structural options such as media rooms or additional bedrooms. Now, all of the homes are going to offer a nice outdoor covered patio, and some of the floor plans will offer 3-car garages. Now, of the 10 floor plans being built, 3 of them are going to be single-story plans, while the other 7 will be 2-story models. Now, prices of the American Legend homes are going to start in the low 1 millions. And yes, there will be lot premiums depending upon the lot size and location. Now, if you'd like additional information about the Grove community overall, I invite you stick around till the end, as I'm going to be providing you with a link to a community video tour that I did here recently. American Legend are only going to be releasing 3 homes per month, and I am being told that you should expect there to be a price increase after each of those 3 sales. Now, the homes here are only being sold off of an interest list, so if you would like additional information or information on how to get on that interest list, please go ahead and call or text the number on your screen now. On the other hand, the 74-foot wide lots that Highland are building on are going to be either north or south facing. On the 74-foot wide lots, Highland Homes are going to be offering 16 different floor plans. So there's going to be a floor plan and lots of choice to fit whatever your needs might be. For those Highland homes, there are going to be 7 single-story floor plans available and 9 2-story floor plans available. They are going to range in size from 3,100 to over 4,400 square feet of living space. All of the homes are going to feature 3-car garages, and there are all kinds of different options available for you to customize that home and truly make it your own. The Highland homes are also going to be sold off of an interest list. They have not started sales as of yet. So if you would like additional information about these homes, or you would like to be put on that interest list, please go ahead and reach out by calling or texting the number on your screen. If you'd like to compare the Grove to other communities in the area, or learn about other new construction opportunities anywhere in the Frisco or Prosper area, then I invite you to reach out. I'd love to talk to you and learn more about your specific situation and what it is that you are looking for in a new home. Now, in the description below, there is a link to my calendar. Go ahead and book that call. There's absolutely no obligation whatsoever, and I would be more than happy to try and match you with the builder and community that best suits your needs.